In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Microsoft Excel files in Gmail. Start by logging into Gmail in your web browser. The trick here is to use Gmail's built-in search operators to quickly pull up emails that include Excel attachments. Excel files usually come in a few common formats: XLSX for modern workbooks, XLS for older files, XLSM for macro-enabled files, and CUV for comma-separated data that often opens in Excel. For the fastest result, click into the search bar at the top and type file name XLSX, then press Enter. This tells Gmail to look specifically for emails that include files with the ye.xlsx extension. If you want to cover all the typical Excel-related formats in one go, use file name XLSX or XLS or XLSM or CSV. Make sure you include the parentheses and use OR in all caps. This widens the net and helps catch older spreadsheets or CSV data files that you still plan to open in Excel. If you're seeing too many results, refine the search by combining the file type with other details. To filter by sender, type from, followed by the sender's email, then a space, and add file name X. That narrows the list to Excel attachments from that specific person. To search by file name or a phrase mentioned in the email, keep file name XLSX and add a quoted keyword, like Budget 2026. Quotation marks tell Gmail to match that exact phrase in the subject, email body, or file name. To limit by time, try file name XLSX after 2026-01-1 to find Excel files sent since the start of that year. Adjust the date as needed. If you prefer not to type commands, you can use Gmail's visual filters. Click into the search bar, then select the Has Attachment button that appears just below it. This immediately limits results to emails with attachments. From there, you can click Anytime or the advanced search icon, the little sliders, to set details like date ranges, the sender, or keywords. Combine these with your file name. Search to zero in on exactly what you need.